then give that job after though. We'll come back on finish up. You know, so let's just get a double for this. Chosen! Walk one.
I'm there.
Alright.
Yeah, what about mine?
Yeah, what things are going on. Put on this and pass it. Oh. Dip the brush tonight. No, dip the brush. Wait, no, that's not brush. This is it. I like where you have the still. I like the arch your back. Like a duck. Yeah. Stick on your top and your. You alright though?
Yeah, man.
But I take you all that money where your grandmother go pay me, you know. Give to you now. You know why? Why?
I like it.
Oh, hope you don't say so man.
So you feel energy too?
Alright.
You like it, me?
Alright.
You like Rasta, man?
Take time with your grandmother here, kind of like Rasta. So you want me to do that, that's why I'm coming from here to go.
I like it because
No, she tell me point blank.
I'm missing you, Rasta, man.
Yeah, but that I feel business. You know what? Rasta now your business then.
I think she like Rasta too.
Right. Oh, grandma, you know say go live long. May I tell you, your granddaughter say you're such a wonderful lady. Such a wonderful lady.
Where are they? May I help you?
She help me.
So many know about it.
She am an assistant. Because I'm a Rastagan, next Rastagan.
True, me no want team job. So there.
I ain't not them, no.
No, me I help my grandma with the pain. Me done everything I tell me to do. That's why I come help you.
Grandma. You have a good job, right?
Yeah man, look nice.
Yeah man, you have a good
Yeah man, they
job.
look good man. Is that the first coat?
Yeah. Your granddaughter has been such a wonderful help. When me I work here, I want you to send her come. Right, tell them that you guys should get your trade too, you know.
You know that grandma?
Should get your trade.
Alright, Chosen, you can go around. Go find something like a chair.
No, grandma, I send her away.
You will, me there some, me
Ready?
there.
Alright.
Go on.
Alright.
Alright, Rasta member say.
Alright.
Yeah, that's that.
Alright. It's bright, you know. Me I tell her, I say, me have some dictionary up here there. When you look at bright sister, them use. I won't give it to her, you know?
Yeah, can do so.
Yeah, man, that's me not talk about all the time.
Yeah man, a bright girl man.
Yeah, man. She's smart. She knows the 5 and 5 makes 6.
Yeah man, 5 and 5 and 10. Where you get that from? We make a big book. We make a big book. 5 and 5 and 10. 6 and 5 and 8.
I got the bright one then, man.
You know me then get it from? Yeah.
You can match up things.
I mean then get it from man.
You do a good job carrying them coming up. I tell you.
Yes, you good.
Yeah, man, I go get it out out properly.
So you done by next week?
No, man, I don't buy it tonight.
You have the bathroom for the tea now.
Yeah, man, so you can go on your bed. You look at young one there, Chosen. She'll stay up all night with me.
Alright. Alright. Just do it after you. And you never tell me the damage yet, you know?
Don't worry about the damage. You will manage.
Alright.
Don't worry about the damage. I don't kill you.
No, you know, see you work with me still.
Yeah, man, I work with you.
Okay, please, so we're not even finished.
You not don't finish yet?
You look nice. Alright, later.
Alright.
Let me go.
Send her back up whenever you're done with that. Again. I try to learn at school. Chosen, sir. Everything alright?
Yeah.
I'm gonna give you ice cream money, you buy ice cream. Ice cream you love, right?
Yeah. You love licky.
Yeah, man. Don't buy it though.
No, me so cute.
You want ice cream or something like that and the fudge.
so.
Which one you like? The nutty body?
No. You want with
The white in the middle?
yeah. Like you want it. How much I charge?
Yeah, charge around big money that we say we can give you. What money you want? I not have to work, you know. My family, they're rich. And just tomorrow I still come over here, I do work, and I just do work good, that means I can't get the money. But I not have to work. So I see your chosen, me just chose you.
Give me 4,500 if you don't.
Alright, you tell us that. I damage them.
Yeah.
I will get it. What is happening? This is night again, no, I don't have to. I want to look at different work and say you can get more money.
Yeah.
Yeah, money today. So how do you so much money? You can hold your girlfriend and go. KFC, Burger King, anywhere you want to them go.
You know how woman live in Africa?
No, you know. The last woman I live with, she run gone. Her life partner Jah. She take down with.
You have to go find a young girl then, because young girl then I can't just...
Chosen, I say I chose you. And I'll find out more. You think they every day I do. Ensure you do the right thing. The old school I know. They know when you go walk, they know when you go nowhere. They might watch you.
Yeah.
You have to go push out. Or push out something they see. If you don't push out, one at a time then push out something they see.
You don't watch me too much. You don't want me home, man.
When you don't sleep tonight, you go do something.
So I come back and...
Okay? I move on to the one place.
Yeah. Put it in a sucker and come here.
So I know I can squeeze you in and do me have to do.
I feel the catcher tell him say I paint is still a paint.
Yeah, but tell her I say I work overnight tonight.
Oh.
Tell her that already. Done have it tonight pipeline. Rub that tonight there. So when she come in and look, man, she said the job well done. Alright. You know if you roll it go?
Yeah.
Roll it, girl.
Like a roller coaster.
Oh. It's for morning.
Yeah. Granny did cook ackee.
I want your grandmother to cook.
Yeah.
You can cook too?
Yeah.
If you're granny, you know, you must can cook. And maybe when you reach the time when you come here, then you cook for me.
Oh, yeah, eat more.
No, you know.
Eat chicken though.
No, you know.
Straight veg and fish.
Straight veg and that every fish. I know eat.
But Rastaman can't eat fish.
Rastaman can't have anything they want. They must see the business that I eat what I eat. I don't eat things long before I eat when Rasta.
Oh,
You know?
okay. No problem. No cook steamed veg good.
Alright?
Yeah.
That I eat.
The dumpling, rice, all in one too.
Oh, I don't know when you run your belly. You can cook 2 peas
Yeah.
and that long.
No cooking good, you know? Want to cook some there?
Yeah, man, that if I don't cook for me.
Love cook stew peas. Stew peas nice.
Yeah, man. That if you fear and I.
When Granny did cookie, give me grandfather. I know. My grandfather supposed to turn in a grave.
Sorry. You know why your grandmother cook none to me then?
I'm your cook. If you make sure to cookie, I'll put extra love in there.
Yeah, man. That is. Yeah, man. That don't know.
So yeah,
So I sweat. I sweat a lot. And I look on the work and she go examine it.
yeah, but me I know good saying I'm going.
And can't sit. Alright, that's good, that's too good. Alright. I'm going to come on the blind side. When I come in later.
Yes. I left here, yeah. You kind of touchy sometimes.
so long. What's here this so long? You don't on the phone a ring? Listen, man, me have to talk, you know. Because your daughter come like she want to send me to her early grave. You understand? The whole of my head I get white like chalk because of what talking and the stress with her. She now listen to me. Me have a look at the man will come the one day and I look at fixing there and him fixing. Him do a good job. He's a good worker. But me I still look at movement with them and now me I talk to her. She now listen to me. Me I talk to him. Him now listen to me. You understand? So you have to go file for her and take her. Me can't do it. I cannot do it because she will kill me before time. I know me keep her here for come bury me soon. You understand what I say? So I want you to call her and talk to her and then you get back to me tomorrow or later. Alright. Okay. Alright, bye. Stop it me, man. Too much with her. My granddaughter. Me just call your mother at Canada. Look a girl out there now listen to me twice. She not listening. I'm tired of talking. You say, you know, nuts from the whole of my head I grew up. I stress, you know. The whole part talking and then sometimes at night time I can't sleep because me I think what next what gonna happen. Me no want him bring no belly in ya. You understand me? Your mother never bring no belly come here and she wait until she get married and everything. You understand me?
But she a big woman, grandma.
It doesn't matter. I don't want her with that Rasta man because the man live a hustling woman and the woman is a crazy rat.
Grandma, look
she
here.
not have no sense. She mad like Shada.
You cannot choose man for your grandpitney.
I cannot choose man for her, but me don't want her with him. Because he have a woman. If he have a woman, he stay with him woman.
Suppose
that
they
woman
love,
is very jealous.
Suppose they love each other. You can't stop it. There's no way you can stop that,
But he have a
grandma.
woman. And he keep on a light.
Oh, you know, say man that
he have a woman. Me hear from good source. Good source. He have a woman.
So suppose when me find one man, so you go tell me say he have one
No,
woman.
if you don't have no woman, he just not no man. But that man, they have a woman. And she's a mad, she's jealous bad.
You just no want the girl.
She jealous. And she love to walk with knife. And you see me have my rat, me chop a small for my grandpitney, you know. So me no want that. Me no want to go to jail. Me never got jail yet. You understand what I say? No. So your mother, she will call back later and she have to file for her. Before she kill me, I send me to her holy grave. Me no want
you just no like your grandpitney with no man. That's it.
And that you believe? I want everybody to find a good man and settle him. I want everybody
They
to be
love
happy.
each other, grandma.
Well, me no like him fair.
You can't choose
Me
for
no
her.
like-
She's a big girl.
How old is she?
How old is she?
No, you tell me, because you tell me she's a big girl. She's pitney for me.
No pitney. A big girl. She's 20, grandma. A big girl.
So 20 and a big woman?
Of course. A big girl, she choose for herself.
Me no want the rest of the girl go to college, go to good school. The girl need to...
You don't know if a Rasta man go to good school to when he in the age they too.
Me no know. Me no know nothing about him. All me know saying...
Exactly. Don't know nothing about him, but you are judging.
But no, me not judging me have a woman. That the part that me can...
They have a tax and never judge a book by the cover, yeah?
It is true, but me get it from good source of the man having personal woman when he live with and he can't talk to nobody. That's how jealous she is.
Alright, you go talk to her.
Talk to her.
You go talk to her.
Talk to her.
You can't go back in your room.
Alright, I beg you talk to her. Because I don't want the card. I don't want God jail. I'm too old enough for police come put her.
When you have your boyfriend, them, your grandma, your mother, they tell you, know?
No, your grandfather the first man for me. I never have no other man but your grandfather.
Exactly.
I never take another man in my
You
life.
need, okay, go on your room. Go sit your butt here, so.
Every time you come mildew, pamphilo. You every top jewel.
Well, here when me tell you now, grandma knows say you're the Rasta man attack. And me hear she attack till she go call your mother for send you up, you know.
No, that's what when you kid. Eh? So why she have to tell you that if she knows say me and the Rasta attack, she not come to me? Eh? She must understand say me a big girl and I know. You come out of school long time, you know.
You know how granny done already.
So what if you me like the Rasta man?
Ma
And I
take
go
care- ma
talk to
take care of
him.
you.
Of course. Him give me money.
Mm-hmm.
Other day when him paint the place, almost half my money he give me. He give me money to buy ice cream and he give me money to buy food.
So money and ice cream, money, food and ice cream, you give money for.
You know how much money that?
How much one box
He give me
food?
4,800. So I don't know what you're talking about.
That is no money, girl.
How much money that him give me?
You say 4,500. No, that you just say.
800. Enough money. So stop like you know no sense. Because none of your man them when
Well,
you talk to.
well,
You
Granny
use
say-
so much money. Chef, RJ, whatever I name. Where that talk to. You ever give so much money? Eh?
It is no.
Never. I give 250 in give you.
You think a little hide me have to hide things for granny boy you and the Rasta man.
But he come here at work and he me just like him. Understand me? So what I do right now, he run here at work. Every time when I go on there, I'm seeing me look at something and jump. What I do?
You look at
Granny must understand, say, she old, I want to do all that
You
stuff.
look at something and jump. No, sir. Well, me can't tell her who if you like and who don't like, you know, sissy girl, but and grandma is the problem.
And him go say, she will call me people them. What my people them do? My people them they will up this up.
Well, you have to go talk to her.
My people them don't
Me
know
can't
what
help,
I'm
me can't help you find the party.
No, I'm to Granny, you know. Like him, I go through me in a party or something.
He got this man, he must say, who is chosen?
You hear that go. And then he say, no, like Rasta man. I'll be seeing with Rasta man. Eh?
Well,
That means you like him like my Rasta man.
he had a go through cause some certain things when we said to her, she now pick up at all.
You know, this man he eat out I plate. He must say I hope eat out I plate. And she eat out I. So you have to understand, you have to be with me. You must say
So me not there with you, me be with you, you know.
No,
I don't
you-
mind, that's why I call you and tell
if you
you.
back me, so tonight we go meet him. So you must just put something on that bed like this. And throw and peel up over. Throw this in.
You know, say me do anything for you, but granny, you see granny not easy.
Mama say,
Yeah.
you left here, no good in here, no. So if you come in and just tell him, say me asleep. You understand?
Alright, we try what we can do.
This will come, come. You chat to me, Rasta, yeah?
Should I go with the pillar?
Come, grandma.
Yeah. So listen. I just call your mommy a while ago. I'm gonna tell her so she can do something and take it because I can't do it. You now listen to me. You and that Rasta man. And I can't deal with it. It's like you want to send me to an early grade. Look on my head out and get white. The whole of my head I get white through stress. And you, me I talk to you. And me I talk to him. See, you kiss all the truth, me I talk to you. You can't behave like that, man.
Grandma, what me I do?
You want me to look a movement with you and me I tell you to leave the man alone because you have a woman. But you not listen to me.
Grandma,
Me no want you bring no belly. Me no want you bring no belly in ya. You finish college. You need to get a good job and settle down and fix up yourself so that you have about man for your heart today. You don't need a man right now.
So, ma,
And number one, you have a woman.
you have no man. So,
You know say no woman. You that close.
you tell me, of course, you tell me.
Man, I lie to you. Your grandfather lied to me. And me catch him with two women. And me have to bust him ass and bust me ass.
I am still there with him, though.
I'm my
You
husband.
get back two people.
I'm my husband.
Anyways. Don't say
Every man lie.
Let me tell you, grandma.
Every man lie. Let me tell you now, bring no belly in your
That's
family.
why you got through with
You
your
not
man
bring
them.
no belly. You not bring no belly in your family. Adapt me, I tell
Me
you.
and you know say thing, you know, grandma.
Adapt me, I tell you.
Me and you know
Me
say
don't
thing.
talk. Me don't have nothing to
We are
say.
different species.
Case closed.
Anyways, we can't
So,
work.
your
and
mother
man
will
same
call
way.
you tonight. Before the night, she'll call you and talk to you.
Yeah, mommy, I know the same thing.
Well, alright.
You understand me?
You will see. You will see.
Because mommy, go take up daddy and daddy run girl for me. Right?
I don't know why your father running because she treat him good. Me don't know
My
why
rasta
he
man, from me and him start talking, I don't do nothing yet.
So how
I didn't give me ice cream money, I didn't give me food money.
That's all you want, ice cream money and food money?
You know, I have to do it. He give me 4,500 and 800. That's a whole for money, grandma. Talk the truth.
Yeah, see to me?
No, and give me it.
Me
I'm
don't believe
sure
you.
you.
Me don't believe you, me not lie. Anyway, your mother will call you
So how come you buy this
before
snack?
the night over, your mother will call you because I want you to fight for you and take you up before you spoil up yourself.
If you never give me
Because the
the
man have a woman and me I tell you now, you try to talk over me, you not listen.
if you never give me the money, I'm gonna buy
Alright,
this snack.
bye.
Food money.
Bye, go find something in the kitchen.
No, you don't know your
Go
man.
find
Never
something in
give
the
me much
bathroom.
money. If you want to
Go find something in your bedroom. Though.
Yeah, man. No, grandma. I really like me can't do the bucket style, you know. Because you're there and you say me can't do the man and you all call me and stuff. So if you're going to send me home. Because I don't see what you want so far. You understand?
I don't want you with him.
And I tell you type blank if you want big. Because I'm 20 and now 21. You understand me?
You have a woman. You have a fine with someone like me, I tell you. Watch and see. When you look at people and listen to older folks, when you find out when you make a mistake, you will find someone like me.
Alright, so since you call mommy, I just go on my yard. You understand? Yeah, man, you go on my yard. Because
Back your back, pack everything I want.
you have to tell me that I pay never buy me nothing.
Pack everything. I'm a doctor, buy your food. Come out, that's it. Bye. Don't come back.
Yeah, you go 2 minutes pause.
Go down.
How we are go?
Yo, me I come go on my yard now because me can't bother with my style. Right? Because she come and talk about me, she a go send me on my yard. She a call mommy and she did call mommy. So me go to her, I'm telling her say, me I go left now and go on my yard. Me now wait till you run out and make your yard. You understand?
You better you go and go and she run out.
Me I go on my yard because I don't know what to say. Not throw my grandmother, you know. And the mother can't stand me, you know. Like she can't stand me. And why?
Alright, not even hug. Go on anyways later.
Yo, my general. Yeah, man. Get the money in, I'm done. But I would like me to pay you right now. Come me get the full 10 in, but remember say I'm a virgin need do your work, you know. You have to squeeze my virgin at him. So you play hard, brother, man. I give you 5 and hold on for the next 5. Alright, no say nothing, man. You play me hard when you do January. Say what? I'm going somewhere. Yeah, deal, Bobo.
I'm not there, you know. Everything good.
Yeah, man.
What them people that they're not dealing nothing yet?
Don't get through, bro.
Don't get through yet. Oh, remember that man that I come PH in a car. You know
I say, I pay you now, look on the fruit tree. Right now, you come see me, so. It's something I look for go tear down, for go cook. Go and hold on for 2 bills, I stay.
that.
In time, nothing go on, me make you know.
I know what I go on, because this I can start the morning still.
Forward.
We have a nice sister and I go check to the idea. So you think money come to the day? Yeah man, you have a little girl when you chose them. Like her, my future ends, but she not give me no tax still because you know so you don't have the money. You know what I mean?
Have to take one cocoa full of the basket.
Yeah.
Man, isn't it?
I just said the hard word there man. Go do the work.
No,
The sister not there, the grown sister.
No, man.
Yeah man. But we get the money, just want get the money. Yeah, that's nice.
I say do it, just get the money and give.
And give it, right? Yeah man. See that, cause them get them things and them give it, right?
Big up yourself, though.
Yeah man, you see them get them things and them give it, right?
It's a circle, man.
Yeah man, so everything good though.
Yes, man.
One day I go cover that again. Then I no more cover that again.
No, I have to check them.
Alright, you have to do that. But it's buy later.
Circle, man.
Ah.
Yo,
What go on?
you there on the work?
Yeah man, what go on?
You can buy 3 water come give me.
Alright, here what go on. Me let off foot now come back.
Bike sound disgusting man, I can't tap ride. Tap and talk to me man.
Me I say, me I go let off something get somebody and then go get it for you. How much water you want?
I want 3 buckle of water. And a water I want. You hear water.
Alright, I would pan for you there.
Yeah.
Alright.
But I front turn up out I want gate ya so.
Alright, now say alright, me so circle.
Alright.
take long, you know.
Me wonder where the whole long man. Go back. Like me people they will do that because I mean when I buy things, I'm not order that you know. I don't know where I figure.
Alright, so line up your money, man.
Wait, no, line up which money? How this be?
No water?
Me said me want water, not lifespan water. Me not like spring water.
So now that you tell me say you want,
No.
you say you want water.
Yes,
So
water.
me think of them there I talk, so me just pick up them there.
Water. I want in the blue bucket and the white.
So what
the
kind of
white
bucket is?
Yo, me say water,
blue that too.
me never say lifespan.
So now
And
water them
it's a
there?
spring water, me want purified water.
Boy, I don't know the water there where you
So
chat,
great,
but you
me
tell...
take care. Me not even pay for them, me not pay for them. Go baby.
Listen me I say, you
Me
tell
not
me say you
paying
want
for
water.
And you give me lifespan
A tree
water.
water that. Look now, water. So I them me carry come.
You know say I eat that though.
No, but what you tell me, you say
You don't know water. You remember
No,
the
me
water.
don't know the water.
You have cran water, I have what? You know.
Let have the run and go get somebody and come back. Just line up your money.
You're not even get paid for
No,
them.
no.
Listen.
Them
Man,
you cannot, them there. $80 one. And
Me
the
feel
fear,
them way now.
the fear of 3 bills. So line up
Fear
your
I
money.
was 3 bills.
And let have the run and right up and come back.
Yo, we see Yo, pick me and spend no money for them time the boy and the road come back. Sure. I tell you no man, bet. I'm telling you some more water and can spring water. When me I do this, what this can do? Come. Hey yo.
Audio.
Sure man. She didn't be doing a rasta.
Killer.
Me tell this dude to buy 3 water come give me. He buy lifespan water. I mean me not drink this something you know. Me not drink water.
I drink them though. Where
Me
do them?
like I fling them right now.
Yeah, what? I don't have much money now, but I walk me and go. I don't like how you look so sad.
But me tell you say water me want rasta.
Alright, me buy back for you.
No man that's
You know how much you know have your money?
He good man, he good rasta, he good man. He good man. He good, cause if we see them one more time, me dash man. He good man, he good.
If I look at sit in a beer then water you should drink and she love it.
Me not like them water the rasta.
Alright. We go make a run. But you're good though.
Good man, me good. I just a little boy piss me off because I'm gonna see I walk him out.
Alright. Thank you.
Alright.
Touch the road today. Yeah man. What a go on?
Yeah, like here.
Bunny though. Yeah man. What a thing go on man. Yeah, me there try with one thing, yeah. You see the water them, yeah. You have the code pan, I code them out, scratch out. You know, see if I enter and that's yeah, right now. See a little brown chick. I don't a yard where me there now, you know. Down a yard where me there. Say more in money so I can get some outside car. I know the family stay. You know, see money. And when they don't have no money, they know why you're there. Family. So if you want to, me there. Go on. So yo, me link you back though. Me link you back. Here, I'm going to put in a code there. Me page you back. It said scratch below to win. Yeah, so you scratch already below and me go win.
Morning, Rasta, we are doing something early.
Me I try win a money. One promotion there. One promotion there. Like me I try win a money off. You know, they buy the bottle of water here, we can win money.
Oh, me hear about it.
Yeah man, so God, me love have a sister. You know? Tell her mother, but she don't approve of me yet, but I want to see her talk to herself. What she did?
You know, say she not there yet, she gone to her country, she not come back for now.
At Shawn, how you know we should be a talk?
You know which one I like her. She can't say I want, but she you want.
Yeah, chosen. She's
Okay.
chosen one.
She got a country, man. She packed and gone this man. They can't ask anybody for like anything.
So she now come back.
She now come back.
You know, for me I come from
Oh.
far away. Me I come from to come see her.
She gone a country.
I try to say, if I win the money, but I get a thing out tight and you can't go a country. To find her.
Well, if you're winning, we can sort out something.
Yeah, more try.
Alright, shop me does I come from.
Say man to everybody in that own for me.
Alright.
Yeah man, say man.
So you say you go sit down for the rest of the day?
No, me I go collect the money when I win. I go no win.
If
So when
you're
I win,
winning.
I go collect.
If you win, alright.
Believe now.
No, mommy, believe.
Believe, but that young people them say, believe. Blessed Father, never win nothing in my life. Win now and then, cash back and lose back. No, it's a ask and it shall be given. Now I ask you to win this grand prize by winning this grand prize out of this water. I will have enough money to support the data. Please. Yes, Jack. It's your boy, Fire Ass. Blessed. Blessed. Ask and it shall be given. I'm asking you, please. One day for them I call now. Yeah. Bunny down, what go on? No, I want it to know. Blessed. Yeah, man, glory be to the Most High. I give thanks to like bunny down to the ground, man. Everything alright. Everything alright. Yeah, man, that's the greatest, man. From everything is alright. Alright, bless up. Yeah. No, not yet. But in due time. Oh. Monday. No. I'm not sure yet. We want to look how things to go through. If it go through, we go fly. We want up that side there. But if not, we're up on the west side. You know? Burn it down till ground. Yeah, man, do the right thing, man. Burn it down. Alright. Army General. Ja, a while ago when the phone ring, we could have swear it's them calling about the money, but anyway, all the rest. Ja. One fire, Ja. I don't know I can talk to now till I get the data to talk to.
Yes, Grandma. What you want to know?
I would have took them from the porch.
Huh?
I would have took them. Me see one man out there asleep. I hold him.
You want a Rasta man, is he?
Yes.
Well, when me come from shop a while ago, me see him out there. See, I chosen, he come to look for.
Who?
Chosen.
Who name Chosen?
No, your granddaughter, Mama.
So what she
Me tell her say head that go, you know. Me tell her say head that go.
Me not understand that.
I hear me, she ain't gonna look for.
But him out there asleep.
Yeah, you know what, let me go there. Sorry, man. Rasta, wake up, man. You're out here. We think you're gone a long time.
Just put a message, is it?
You're out here asleep. We think you're gone a long time.
No, I know. The doors are done.
See, mama come out here and come in, come ask me who you're out here.
You know that?
Yes,
And
because
you're
you're
the future.
chosen boyfriend.
No, yet. She don't say yes to me yet.
Maya,
Mama. Alright.
chosen boyfriend.
How much time if you tell us if you left chosen?
Why? The mind I tell me to left eye, but the heart, nah, do it.
Me not tell you I don't want to live with my granddaughter. The only time if you come through my gate is when me call you if me have anything for you to do. You know, if you come on my yard, me tell you left my grandpitney alone. How much time you have for warn you?
Watch out, me win.
We see.
Me win, watch out.
Where you win?
You winning.
Win what?
Money.
Laptop?
You can't talk to me now.
See, I go
Wait,
talk about my
No,
share.
me go collect money.
Wait.
Alright, go collect and come
How much
back.
money you get?
Wally for money. Well, me can't
Millions?
count it. Me can't count it.
You can't come back.
Can you come make me count it for you?
Yeah, me go check out it.
Alright.
Make sure you come back, you know. No, me have to come look for you.
Big steam money.
Them not gonna be nice. You know, you win money, not gonna be nice to you. You can't take care of it.
Warning.
We don't have
You ask me who is stolen, I can remember your granddaughter.
Who there?
Mama.
Chosen, come back yet.
No.
Oh, she not come back yet.
Boy. Why look chachi do? Go look out there, son.
What is the one you know?
Come look.
In the sun up here. Gotta be something.
So
good.
start to be feeling on.
What?
Yeah.
The man trash out.
Yeah, man. Next time I come too early, see, gonna give me a piece of the money, and then go to every side and make a phone. But when the son to come back,
So what? I'm set you up now?
You look good too, I'm like the
man.
clocks.
Clocks, I say one man.
alright, just give me lucky now. Yes, I'm sit down, you know.
Well, I'm putting in the cup. Since it's a house of bless.
Bless, I tell you. Happiness.
Give me finger first now.
No,
No, a grandmother figure.
grandma
What's wrong with you?
come first. The grandma never come and make baby come. You
No,
don't
no,
never
come
die.
here. You're the old head. I'm forget. What? Yeah, man. Big thing. I'm going.
90%. But you know, want to talk to somebody for me. This money, I know nothing.
Me can't talk to
A
nobody.
chump
This
change.
is
Me put in good word. Shut them up. And you talk.
A chump change, this time I get. This is just chump change. May I tell you,
So
say,
mama get 5,
the
6
bigger
thousand.
money, listen now, should be held that.
I am the
Bigger.
L and you are the tail.
Alright,
keep
you
quiet.
calm down. Yeah, man, so when
Yeah,
I talk to Chosen to I and I.
Listen, man. I know
Yeah,
listen
man.
this.
Because I talk to her already, but it never work out. So I know so once you put in the word and now, you go work. Yeah, man, so
Until I say you're good, man. You did it.
No money like.
me have an appointment. I go get me toe shawl, and my finger shawl, and my face shawl because I don't live no life yet.
So you can buy me one of them clocks.
One at a time then.
No, me at all.
Everything fresh.
But me the ones in a blue.
Yeah, man, I go check for you. I check for you. I check for you. If you buy
Alright,
one, every time you get the money, I buy some vehicle. You get a car, everybody get a car.
One like excellent.
Yeah, man, may I tell you.
I like excellent.
Alright.
Peace and love, man. Walk good.
Alright.
Let's drive, never time out.
Alright.
Come on.
Who don't love money? Everybody love money.
You see right near you, a lot of money.
Hello. No, know, sometimes I even like your style though. But tell me I borrow money from you and I know me can't get it. Girl, me tell us right now me broke. Not even 10 cents me not have. And you can't let me look at 5 bills, really? And you say me and your friend? No sir, me never, I know so we go. I know so we go at all. We think you could have lent me money. You could have well lent me. You can talk about, girl, but this and girl, me dad. Everything good, man. Everything good. I'll go and rest up. Everything good, man. Nothing not say nothing. Alright. I'll go and rest up.
You know, see how, watch out.
Oh, turn around, rasta.
You know, first,
I want to go on there, sir.
and the car, yeah.
And money that share in the car?
You don't know where I get the money from.
I don't know.
You see the buckle, them, the 2-3 buckle water where they are cost boat where somebody buy you. And you say wrong and water what you want, and left you and cost you and gone, left you. And you see how dash away. And you give me it. Scratch off you and Betty. I want, we never swan send the pan if you scratch and win.
Yeah.
I'm a scratch, I'm a win. So me I say,
You win what?
money.
You win money?
So you want know. So me start then. Me can't have the money. Me not go sleep good at night and no say. Cause me just get the money, you know. So me start then. Me can't look at school and give you. Yeah man, that I feel.
Big up yourself. I
Look tonight. I think I drop this
I
bill.
can't even know me need
Believe
this right
no?
now.
Believe. So that I feel still. You know what I mean? Because you say you never believe in it, but that I feel. But anyway.
You sure you said this for me?
Feel.
You sure, Rasta?
Yeah man. So I can sleep good tonight. Later.
Actually. You sure, Rasta?
Yeah man.
Hello?
Hello. What you say?
I see your grandmother.
You don't me for your place, lady.
Listen, me, when you come back, I miss you. No matter what, you're still my granddaughter and I love you. I want you to come back so we can sit and talk and be a family again.
You can't really foolish, you know.
I know foolishness, your grandmother just want the best for you. Every grandmother, every mothers, every parents want best for their children and their grandchildren. That's all I want.
Me understand, but if you understand, say, we get bigger age too.
That's understanding.
And we want to go experience things.
That is true. That's true. But my problem is he has somebody. So where do you fit in? This man live a house with him.
Something now, grandma. You never, the other man have somebody.
No. Your grandfather never have nobody.
If never have, so but actually Pitney have different feel of people them where you give.
No, I'm not true. I'm not feeling Pitney them.
Oh.
Them a jacket.
Oh, you say you pick up feel now.
No, but it's true. Your grandfather was a good man.
Disrespect enough time I left you and seen that guy.
He was a good man.
Grandfather.
Our jacket thing, the girl engine put me on a feeling them, and he never.
Anyway, if me come back, you know, Johnny, me I tell you the truth, you know. Me can't put up any nonsense, you know.
We'll talk. Pack your bag and come. We'll talk.
No, we'll talk. Give me the okay if me can be with the Rasta man and you know.
Me can't say yes yet. My head have to go back and come back and fix properly. Not fix right now.
I tell a grandma, you know, me not I nothing for you. When me come back down, you know, me want Rasta. You like him?
Just come. We talk. I promise you we'll talk.
Alright.
Alright, later.
Alright.
You come tonight?
Me will come today.
Alright. Me I look for you. I'll cook your favorite food.
Alright.
Alright, later. Bye. I'm glad to see you. You look good. The couple of days left. They feed you well.
Yeah, because I have stress me grandma because it's stress me man. It make me feel like I look up with them, feel like me at 18, 16. You know like it?
All grandma wants is just good, that's all. That's all grandma pray, that's good. You see, because you're so bright and you finish college now, just want to say get a good man, settle and get married.
Like the Rasta man.
Well, if you like him, there's nothing you can do. You can't stop it. Him like you like him. We could have talked till the turn blue and if you decide to deal with him and you decide there's nothing you can do. So leave it alone.
So, me I go to the room and go pull on my clothes then.
Alright, go pack out your things then. Alright.
You left for this already? Oh, then I'm probably. So you left already? Oh, then I'm probably. That's the.
And you come back for? Because me say you nah come back. Then say you nah come back. But it's good to see you back. Grandmother say me come.
I don't like how granny dog go on. But then I say, pipe blank say, if me ever come back down here and she put up with her nonsense, me a left. And she come back and say about how she's sorry and where
So now me can go.
yeah.
Alright.
Yeah, so.
Alright, that's good. So me I done up this hour cafe hour and then we can book a reservation to go out one night time like next week or so. We can go somewhere. Just got think about it and come back and tell me where you want to go. Yeah? Now go and finish up the song.
Alright.
Think about it and come tell me where you want to go.
Alright.
Alright.
Yeah? Yeah? Let's start. Go spend money for me again.
What you say to me?
Hotel we are go. We are going right at that hotel.
What you say tonight, yeah?
I don't know, maybe for 3 nights.
You're going with things,
And
man.
then the cancel because me don't tell Granny Pipe Blank when me come down. Tell her I said look here. You see if me come down here, I go put up with your nonsense about Brastaman and this and that. Me I go way back. Because me, I don't know, she make me feel like me at 16, 18. That's when you're remote running. I must run stay much at them. I really know.
Well, you pick your choice, you know. So Granny can't pick for you.
Can't pick for me. You can't take nothing.
And
Take
that
nothing
means
who
you
live
doesn't
broke up.
old.
Anyways, we just gonna tell you that. So me so you know go see
So
me
no
after
can't come with you now.
it's gonna not easy. How you want to do? You want to look some company face? I must that.
If you don't like it, you know.
I must that. You come sit down and watch me, my man.
Go enjoy myself with you.
Enjoy with you're mad. And I'm here going
If I did me and me have my man and you ask me this, would that care, you know?
I must say I'm here getting one point to enjoy myself. Yeah, it's out. I'm going to
Check your business.
cook up in the jacuzzi, so. And eat grape in a bed. And get breakfast in bed and then something they get. You don't laugh in a living life, eh?
So, yeah, show me, say, you show off for me, you tell me. Which one?
Yeah, sure, probably because you're bigger than me and your man them where you
Don't
get
play
never
with
tell
me,
your hotel
man.
yet. Never. You're lanky one
God
every day
send one
running
for me.
I'll be a bag juice and kangaroo can come here. So you're lucky.
Wait, man, nice as first, you know. But wait till you reach down in the deep relationship. You go see.
Look here. From here, so that Rasta give me money to buy food and ice cream.
Box food and ice cream.
And a box food money he give me 4,500, 800. How much time you have to tell you?
Box
Eh?
food.
How much you want box food? 550, 6 business price. No,
Oh,
no, no, talk about.
go on, box
Yeah,
food,
come
girl.
I know Rasta came here hotel. Where you get?
What
None of your man they
about
never came here hotel and never give us so much money.
Go on. Me see you. Nobody hide me see. Give me some my food on your own here.
The move, yeah. Just for the upper me, I'm so confirmed.
Give me some my food, man. Thank you. You want some my juice? Get one cup, come.
No, yeah, I'm gonna buy this. Yeah.
Get one cup and throw some my juice, no man.
I will probably me they come to beg me food and juice.
One cup.
No big cup. Oh, you food.
You want food? Come back.
I figure me food coming at me. I want to come me food out. You food.
Chosen! Chosen!
Oi!
You drink some of my drinks, some of your juice now. Mean girl.
What's your cup? I'm going to buy some for a cup.
You drink some already?
Okay.
You some my rice now.
What? Mr. Girl?
Some my rice now.
You know, just tell me, just tell me just like everyone will live up there with. That's why no food can turn in the house. They turn yam doesn't food. Like you have yam in competition. Who can get fatter? Until can have you fit 3 door.
Where is the coming from?